Did you know a free tool can check a whole website for security holes in just seconds? In this video, I'll show you exactly how, and you don't need to be a hacker to understand it. Think of a website like a big building. It has doors, windows, locks, and secret rooms. A criminal would try every door to get in. Nuclei is like a security guard who checks every door, every window, and every lock all at once. If anything is left open, it tells you right away. It works from ready-made checklists, called templates. Each template knows how to test one specific thing. Getting it is easy, like installing an app on your phone. You type one simple command, and it's ready to go. No confusing setup. Now point it at your own website. It's like telling the guard which building to check. On the first run, it downloads its checklists. Then it starts scanning right away. The checklists are grouped by theme. Some check for known hacks, some look for hidden files, some check for wrong settings. You can pick one group, like just the most common problems, or you can check everything at once. If it finds a problem, it shows a red alert. It tells you what is wrong and how serious it is. For example, it might say your login page has a serious flaw. That's really useful, because now you know exactly where to fix it. In real life, security experts use it with other tools to check many websites at the same time. That way they find problems fast, before the bad guys do. One important rule: only scan websites you own, or have written permission to test. Scanning other people's websites without permission is illegal, and it can get you in serious trouble. If you want to learn ethical hacking, hit that subscribe button.